Hi! In front of me is REALME Narzo 50 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, you need to access Clock app and click on Alarm at the bottom left corner. Now tap on this plus icon and set up an hour. When you're ready, you need to select Ring Once or Custom. I will go with Customs, have to click on it, choose Repeat and tap on days of the week that I wish to set up. Then click on the back button, click on the switchers next to Vibrate and Snooze to enable or disable those features and click on Alarm Name. Now you can label your alarm however you want to, if you want to, and click on Ringtone. Over here select Allow and pick one of those melodies. Click on Allow again, pick one of those melodies as your alarm sound by tapping on the best one and going back. You can also click on Select from Files, tap on Music from your smartphone and go back as well. Now to save your alarm, click on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. In order to turn it off completely, click on the switcher next to it. Then pick one of those options. If you wish to turn it back on, click on the same switcher. In order to delete your alarm, you need to hold it. Then click on Delete at the bottom. Confirm your choice in the pop-up and now it's gone. In order to adjust more alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner, choose Settings and adjust all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!